Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to manage and save projects in PowerDirector. Managing and saving project in PowerDirector is one of the most important skills for smooth video editing, especially if you want to avoid losing progress. So when you work in PowerDirector, the software does not consciously create a video file. Instead, it creates a project file. Usually, this file is like a blueprint of editing work. It remembers where you cut clips, what effects you've added. So in order to save a project properly on however, it does not show the actual video file inside the project. It only links to them. That's why file management is important. So when you're editing, you should regularly save your project to avoid losing progress due to crashes or mistakes. So first, what you need to do is you can open your PowerDirector app on your device. After you're done with the editing, what you can do is you can simply go to your file in the top left and you can simply save a project here as well. And you can go to your downloads or video. You can select one of the file and you can simply click onto this save, and when saving PowerDirector asks you to choose a location here as well. Simply click onto this save, and this is very important because saving randomly makes future access difficult, and a good practice is always allow save in a dedicated folder like your video edits, YouTube project or school assignments as well. You can also name a file and you can click onto this save, and that is it. Your video has been saved and managed. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. If you have any queries or confusion, please comment down below and we will reach out to you very soon.